Right now, as of today, I can't say anything, but I hope that by our next interaction, I will be able to discuss it with you at length. Well, आज उन्होंने मुझे एकदम princess वाला feeling दिया है. The theme of the show is Egyptian, and I'd actually like the designer to talk to you more about it. Would you like to talk about a collection?
Hi, the designs were more about Egyptian. See, day in and day out, we've been trying. हम बहुत सालों से, in fact, years से बना रहे हैं पूरी दुनिया के लिए designs. So this time we've tried gold और stones में, and ऐसा आपने देखा होगा हमारी jewelry में कि हमने mirror और gold को बहुत use किया है. So we've tried to make Egyptian in an Indian costume and make her look like a Barbie. So she's wearing an uncut diamonds with rubies, which are all Burmese, and tried to make that look.
Clothes. She's wearing an outfit made of raw silk and Japanese tissue to give a very nice and clear feel to it. She looked like a doll when she walked.
कियारा, जैसे कि आपने कहा कि आपको प्रिंसेस वाली फीलिंग आ रही थी, तो कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था वॉक करने का, कुछ बताना चाहिए?
बहुत अच्छा. जैसे अभी मैंने कहा, like a princess only. The music, the mood, कपड़े, jewelry, everything was just perfect for me to give that princess वाला walk. So I hope you all enjoyed it.
अच्छा, अगर आपको अगर कोई प्रिंस चुनना हो तो क्या क्वालिटी आप देखना चाहेंगे?
मेरे प्रिंस में जो बहुत इज्जतदार हो, तमीज़दार हो, फनी हो, और someone who's got a great sense of humor.
कियारा, किस तरीके की ज्वेलरी आप कैरी करती हैं इन डेली लाइफ? कितनी ज्वेलरी पहनती हैं, कितना पसंद करती हैं?
एक्चुअली मुझे dainty pieces पहनना पसंद है, like just a simple gold ring or just a pair of diamond earrings. So that's how my daily life jewelry is. I don't wear too much because obviously with work and acting we're always changing costumes and all of that. लेकिन जब भी शादियों में जाने का मौका मिलता है तो ऐसा ही कुछ, in fact, just like the choker necklace that I'm wearing, it's extremely beautiful, and I think you can wear it like I am on a Western outfit as well as an Indian outfit. So I like something that's a little versatile as well.
Yeah, on one hand, where we are almost about to celebrate our 69th Independence Day. On the other hand, government is going on banning things like the recent one being porn. So what do you have to say about that?
This one only you had to catch me on. Well, it's sad that, I mean, first it was beef, now porn, so no one knows what's next. But I think it's taking away the meaning of democracy, and we're kind of losing our freedom. So maybe on the 69th year of freedom, let's hope that as a country, as a nation, we can do something against it and maybe make our government see why we've elected them and to not take away the one thing that we have, which is freedom.
कियारा, इंडिपेंडेंस डे आ रहा है, जानना चाहेंगे फ्रीडम आपके लिए क्या है और एक इंडिपेंडेंस डे की विश अपनी ऑडियंस?
I'll just start with the wish. मैं सारे दर्शकों को what is it in Hindi? No, that I know. स्वतंत्रता दिवस wish करना चाहती हूँ. तो sorry, should I put this as a blooper? And to me, freedom honestly is just allowing myself to do everything I want to do, however, accepting responsibility for everything. And I've been brought up in that way, so I hope that all of us use our freedom wisely.
कियारा, अगर कोई बायोपिक करने का मौका मिले तो किसके ऊपर करना चाहेंगे और क्यों?
चलो इस बारे में हम शायद
कोई ऐसा होगा ना?
मेरे मन में ओके बायोपिक. Which are the ones coming? I might as well. Okay. Next, let's stick to India International Jewelry Week. Bollywood celebrities में से करीना कपूर, hands down. I think she owns the stage every time she walks on it. So she's my favorite. Thank you so much. This way.